Hello everyone, welcome to our new video DLL file. Today we learn creation, uses and linking DLL file. Let's see what is DLL file. The DLL is called Dynamic Link Library is a library that contains function and code can be used by more than one program at a time. It acts as a container of classes. Dynamic Link Library is Microsoft implementation of the shell library concept in the Microsoft Windows and OS/2 operating system. These libraries usually have the file extension .dll, .ocx, .drb. Once we have created a DLL file, we can use it in many applications. Now creating DLL file. Step 1. Open Visual Studio, then select File, then select New, then select Project, then Visual C#, then Class Library. If you want, you can change your class name. Here, write your DLL code. When you successfully write your code, then the step 3 is build the solution. The shortcut key for building the solution is F6. Using all linking DLL file. Step 1. Open Visual Studio, then select File, then New, then Project, then Visual Studio C#, then Window Form Application. Step 2 is open Solution Explorer, then select References, then right click and select Add References, then browse the file and select your DLL file. When you add your file, then you can see the namespace added in references. Now import the namespace using DLL file name. Now open Visual Studio and implement DLL program. I have Visual Studio Ultimate 2012 version. Now open new project, then Visual Studio C#, then select Class Library. By default, class library name 1 is set. Now I am changing it. Write calculator. Then click on OK. So this is your home page. Write here your DLL code. This is namespace already imported here. You can see system, system.in, system.text, etc. Now we are write the here DLL code. So first write public static int add bracket में int a comma int b. Now return the value a plus b. This code performing addition function, and now copy it and paste for save time. This code performs subtraction, this code perform multiplication, this code perform division. Now change add to sub. And next multiplication, write asterisk here, and the fourth is division, and write div, and write division symbol. So this program perform addition, this block of code perform subtraction, this block of code perform multiplication, and fourth is perform division. So the next step is build. Now this is build, and click here, then click build solution. When your solution builds successfully, a message is here, build successful. Now close the Visual Studio. Now reopen Visual Studio. For making program, select new project, console application, and by default name console application 1, and change it to calculator, and then press enter. This is our program file. We are right here code, then write console dot write line bracket class dot add, and pass the value 4 for A, comma 5 for B. Now we can see the class is a red line indicated. That means we are not import the DLL or link the DLL. So go to Solution Explorer, and this is references. Right click here and add references, browse. This is my calculator DLL. If you first user, then you click document, then select Visual Studio 2012, select project, select calculator, then select calculator, bin, debug, and this is your DLL file. Select it and add. Make sure the checkbox is checked and press OK. Now DIA shows the DLL file is successfully linked. Now call the DLL file in our program using calculator. In DLL file I am declared the class as a class 1. So the change is class 1. Now it green, that means it's successfully completed. Now copy the code, because the 4 line of addition, multiplication, subtraction, these are same. Now press paste and paste. Also change here sub, then multi, and then div. Also I want to change the value, so I replace 4 to 10 and change 5 4. Now change it as a 6 and change it 8 and here 4. Okay. Now write the console dot read key. This is hold the console application or console screen. it holds console screen. This is our program written. Now start. You can see the output in console screen. First is addition, 5 plus 4 is 9. Second subtraction, 10 minus 4 is 6. Third multiplication, 6 into 5 is 36 and 8 divided by 4 is 2. It is done. Thank you.